major warning about the country's climate after days of warnings from Turkey's state meteorological agency. Storms and heavy rain brought daily life across Turkey to a standstill.
Ai, coitado! Ai, coitado!
Leck mich am Arsch, komm ein bisschen rein! Ja.
Oh fuck!
The storm that hit Istanbul's Silivri district at dawn had a negative impact on life. When waves rose several meters in the sea, workplaces on the beach were flooded. Trees were uprooted due to the storm. And there were reports of dozens of fallen pillars and trees.
Shit! Yeah, I did.
Been reports of damaged buildings at the epicenter of the event. Fortunately, no injuries occurred. However, this tornado is a rare phenomenon for this area. In the western province of Izmir, the sea overflowed and water mixed with the sidewalks. Parts of the city, falling on cars and some blocking roads. As a result, many vehicles were damaged. These precautions are taken to protect against potential hazard due to extreme weather conditions. The storm and heavy rain caused heavy damage and disrupted power supplies in towns and villages, leading to the imposition of a state of emergency in the affected areas. In the southeastern province of Gaziantep, the downpour began at night and continued into the morning. Along with the rainfall, dense fog also affected some areas in the city.
Oh my goodness.